So this honey is on a Brooklyn rooftop. Okay, nectar flow time in the summer. We're on my Brooklyn rooftop. It is incredibly bright up here. This is my solar array. It's my neighbor's solar array. That's the hive, and what nectar season, the nectar flow means that the kind of flowers that bees make their honey from are open right now. That's booming. That right there, that is a linden tree. So that is a prime nectar source for, at least my experience, Brooklyn honeybees. So that entrance reducer there, but we might be able to open that puppy up. So I don't want to smoke them a lot, but I always smoke the bottom and the top. I'm gonna pry this open, give a little smoke here, and then I'm just gonna wait a minute. This top super is, wow, it's drawn out, partially drawn out. Let me show you. And then I'm gonna push these over. But look at that. This is new wax and honey. This is nectar being converted into honey. That's amazing. Very cool. They're eating it all right now because they think we're attacking the hive and they need to fill up on honey to go fly away somewhere. But it's kind of to our advantage because when they get full of honey, they can't fly up and sting you. So it's kind of nice. So I'm just gonna push these over so I have some room to work. I'm gonna move that out and grab that one. Again, you can see they're drawing it out. So this honey is on a Brooklyn rooftop. How cool is that? See here, the comb is sticking out. I don't really like that, but I think we're kind of stuck with it for now. Nice. That's just great looking. Lots of bees in here going, hey, what's going on? I want to check the second box. I want to check for the presence of newly laid eggs to make sure this hive's okay. That looks great. We got some burr comb here. Not great to have. Wow. Holy cow, look at that. This is a frame of freshly drawn comb and capped honey. You wanna try some? So I basically, you can just take your tool. I mean, you might get grossed out by this, but you take your tool. Oh, I got my hood on. Okay, how do we do this? Okay, we're gonna walk over here. They'll smell this honey and come over, so I hope the camera's running. This is the cool thing about being a beekeeper. Oh, that's really good. Wow, it has a minty taste. I was worried that this hive would be like mediocre because I'm not near Greenwood Cemetery anymore. My hives were on Bryant's roof near Greenwood. So now what I want to check for is, I want to look for larvae. I want to look for open eggs to make sure the queen is present, and that will probably be in here somewhere. So we're going to look in here for a presence of the queen, signs of the queen. Signs of the queen, that sounds like a band. Signs of the queen, don't. Okay. okay. There's a lot of drone brood. Oh, I gotta hold it over here. You always hold it over the hive. There's drone brood down here, some capped frames. So none of these cells have freshly laid eggs in them. That could be the queen is laying somewhere else in the hive. She might be taking a break. I've seen this before, where the queen takes a break and then starts laying again. Yeah, nothing here. I'm hoping the queen's down here. So see how they're getting this all filled up? I like to lay the end frame in the front of the hive in case they want to climb off, they can go back into the hive. That looks empty as well. I'm gonna keep that entrance reducer on there. Without the queen laying, the hive, sorry, I still got wax in my mouth from eating that honey. The hive can be a little weak, so I'm just gonna leave it on. The hive is in good shape, except there's no eggs being laid, a little red flag there. But I'm gonna ride it for a week and see what happens. So, you wanna hang out some more? There should be a video kind of right next to me here. I can't point right now because I'm holding the phone. But we'll check back in on these. Other cool stuff, me and you together. See you next vid.